Hello everyone, I am CS Nair. I welcome you all to my channel Pens and Pencils. Let me introduce you myself first. Sorry, I am CS Nair, English teacher. I would like to come online to teach you all English literature for class 12, especially CBSC. I'll be on Google Meet and I will really expect you to be there. It will be a useful and beneficial experience for you. That much I can guarantee you. I have been teaching English for quite a long time. And after retiring from schools, I started teaching privately for students of English medium schools. Now that the situation is such with all this uh, epidemic, etc., I would like to help you one way or the other through coming online and helping you to stay home and healthy at the same time, get your education move forward. With this intention, I have started give you a brief description about what I intend to do to begin with is this. I'll be teaching you English literature, both Flamingo as well as Vistas. Then we will be covering some, not some actually, almost all sections of section A, that is reading section. Then we will be covering all sections, that is quite vast, the writing section, that also we will be covering. For all these, I have a target of under 90 days. Under 90 days. So, as I just mentioned, 90 days will give us enough time to cover this comfortably. That means we expect to end the first session by September. Then we may continue with a crash course that will give you all the boost you need for your pre-board examinations in case they conduct it in December. We will continue with the same tempo till we reach to the final examination likely to be held in February or at the most in March. So by the time you reach the classroom, you will have enough confidence as well as courage to appear for the English paper. Then, what I will be doing in your classes, this is all to begin with, I am telling you, because I expect your feedback. Then, accordingly, we will be doing all the necessary changes in our format. Don't worry about it. This is your class, not my class. So, whatever you need, I will be here to implement it. You see, I'm sorry. Then, first we will do lesson explanation, all the lessons from your literature, poems, then the text, short stories, all we will be covering. Then we will go to regular tests and also we will be evaluating it and sending you the correction work as well as our remarks, which will really help you to avoid those mistakes that you might have committed in the first paper. Fully confident. Now you may ask, why did I get this idea and how did I come online? The idea is this: I have an aim, that is, as I am a teacher and now I have nothing much to do. Actually, I do have some work to do. I have students, but the students, those who are staying home, and also the students, those who are senior, like you, they should not be bothered with their time. I want them to save as much as their time and get the maximum benefit out of these classes. So this is actually to guide you and to help you to go to the final board examinations. And another thing I can guarantee you, I am quite a single person now, so I am available 24 hours a day. You can contact me on telephone or by email or by on my line or wherever, whatever way, and I will be responding to you immediately. And you must know that this is your class. This is for you. So let me know exactly what you expect me to do for you particularly so that I will be able to help you in that way also. Then what I have to tell you now is that, and see my contact information. My ID is here. My second ID also is here. My mobile number is here. And don't forget, we are doing this on Google Meet, because Google Meet is now coming up very, very attractively, and we have much more features in it, and we expect to get good results out of that. So this is, before I close, let me thank you all, and I am happy to be here today, and I hope to see you all in my class before long. And I have a slogan here, that is my pens and pencils slogan: proper preparation prevents poor performance. I hope you like it. It is quite meaningful and it can motivate somewhere or other, because look at that: proper preparations prevents poor performance. How nice. So I hope to see you all pretty soon. Please contact me in the address I gave you, and I thank you once more. God bless you. Goodbye.